Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install and use Traffica on your smartphone. Firstly, go to Google Play, search for Traffica and install the app. Then open the app. The first screen you'll be prompted to select a language of your choice, which is either Luganda or English. On the next screen you'll be prompted to put in a username, valid email address and select a gender. Then you have to affirm to our license agreement. Then your account will be created successfully. On the home screen, we are able to see traffic posts, other services, and tips. Under the sub menu, we are able to see feedback, user settings, about, and refresh. And about, that's where you are able to see the version of Traffica, our email, and also read the license agreement. Under feedback, that's where you are able to send us your thoughts about our application. Under user settings, that's where you're able to set your Traffica do as well as change app language. Under traffic posts, you're able to see posts made by you and other users. To make a post, you tap on the roundabout like icon where we have regions, roads, direction, population. Under regions, we divided Kampala into 5 regions. So you're able to select a road in a certain region. For example, in Kampala North, we have roads like Bombo Road, Gayaza, Makerere Road, Chema no Soba. Then you're able to select the direction. Is it going to Kampala, coming from Kampala, both, or clear? And under population, you're able to select the concentration of the traffic where you are. Is it clear, bearable, too much, or ask a question? Then you have to input a starting point, as well as add more details. And after send the post to the Traffica servers. And you're also able to search traffic basing on the road you want to go to or your own. Under tips, you'll be able to see road tips on road safety, car care, and car maintenance. Here we have a zebra crossing, which is under the category of road signs, and also the description, as you'll be able to read, and also like the tip. Under other services, that's where we list businesses or individuals that hope to promote their services with us to Traffica users. Generally, this is Traffica app. For any inquiries or for anything, you can direct message us on Twitter or Facebook, or send us an email at greenmindsuganda@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.